In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Google Meet chat box. Whether you're joining a virtual team meeting, a presentation, or just catching up with friends, knowing how to efficiently use the chat feature in Google Meet is essential for effective communication. So, let's dive right in and explore this handy tool together. First things first, in order to use the Google Meet chat box, we'll begin by navigating to Google Calendar. You can find this easily by simply searching for Google Calendar in your browser or using a quick link if it's already bookmarked for your convenience. Once you're in your calendar, scroll through your scheduled events and locate the meeting you want to join. While it might sound straightforward, keeping your events organized in your calendar helps streamline the flow of your day. Upon finding your intended meeting, give it a click. This will open the event details, and nestled within those details, you'll see the option to Join with Google Meet. Click on this link. This step effectively launches the Google Meet interface, letting you be where the action happens. Remember, it's all about being prepared and a step closer to being engaged. Once the Google Meet window pops up, you'll find a prominent button labeled Join Now. Go ahead and click that. This allows you to officially enter the meeting space. By now, you should see the familiar layout of a Google Meet session. Here comes the main part. Direct your attention to the bottom right corner of the screen. There's an icon labeled Chat with Everyone. Click on this icon to open the chat box. Here you are looking at the chat box. This feature enables you to send messages to everyone present in the meet. A nifty tool for sharing notes, links, or just a casual hello. Simply click into the text field within the chat box, and there you can type out your message. As you type, consider your audience and the context of the meeting, making sure your message is fitting and clearly communicates your point. Once you're satisfied with your message, direct your gaze to the Send Message button, usually a little arrow icon. Clicking on this shoots your message through the digital ether to all participants in the meeting. And there you have it. Your message is sent, allowing you to actively contribute to the conversation. And that's a wrap on using the Google Meet chat box. With these steps, you should feel more confident in navigating and utilizing this tool to enhance your virtual meeting experiences. Remember, communication is key, and using the chat function effectively can make a significant difference in how ideas are shared and understood. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find this guide helpful in your future meetings.